One company is now just 9,000 Bitcoin away from dethroning BlackRock, and it happened overnight.
Strategy, the investment firm that's been aggressively accumulating Bitcoin, just dropped $1 billion on another massive buy.
That's not pocket change. That's a statement.
Let's break down what this means for the crypto market and why this matters more than you think.
First, the numbers. Strategy now holds enough Bitcoin that they're literally within striking distance of BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF, the industry's largest institutional Bitcoin investment vehicle. Think about that for a second. A company is about to overtake the world's biggest asset manager in terms of Bitcoin holdings. That's insane. Second, what does a $1 billion Bitcoin buy tell us? It tells us that major players still believe Bitcoin is undervalued. Strategy isn't buying at the top. They're accumulating hard. This isn't retail FOMO, this is institutional conviction.
When companies with billions in capital are still loading up, it signals strength in the market. Third, the BlackRock comparison matters because it shows the shift in institutional adoption. A few years ago, BlackRock was the Bitcoin story.
Now, there's competition. Multiple mega institutions are racing to corner the Bitcoin market. This creates scarcity pressure. Less Bitcoin available on the open market means potential upside for holders. Fourth, the timing is crucial. We're seeing this play out as Bitcoin stabilizes in the mid-60s. Major buys at these levels usually precede rallies, not dumps. History shows us that institutional accumulation phases often lead to explosive price movements. Here's the real insight: this isn't just about strategy versus BlackRock. This is about the narrative shift in crypto. We've moved from Bitcoin as digital gold to Bitcoin as a finite asset that institutions are literally competing to own. That competition drives scarcity. Scarcity drives value. The question now is simple: if Strategy owns this much Bitcoin, and BlackRock owns that much, what happens when they both decide to hold instead of sell? You get a supply crunch. You get explosive price pressure. This is why daily Bitcoin moves matter less than these macro accumulation patterns. $1 billion today is a signal of what's coming next quarter. Follow for more crypto briefings.